Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on how to install the TikTok Ads Pixel on your Shopify store. First, let's make sure you have everything you need. You will need a TikTok business account, a TikTok Ads Manager account, and of course, your Shopify store. If you do not have these yet, pause this video and set them up first. Once you have them, we can continue. The first step is to log into your TikTok Ads Manager account. On the top menu, hover over the Tools section and click on Events, then click on Get Started. Then select the web from the list and click on Next. Now add your website URL. You will see two setup options. One is using TikTok's developer method and the other is Partner Integration. Since we are installing on Shopify, choose Partner Integration. After that, select Shopify from the list of partners and click Next. Now, TikTok will show you a set of instructions, but I will guide you through them. Click on the Get Started button. This will redirect you to the Shopify App Store. You need to install the TikTok app for Shopify. Click on Add App and then Install App. Once the app is installed, open it and log in with your TikTok account credentials. After logging in, you will see the TikTok app dashboard inside Shopify. There will be an option to connect your TikTok business account and your TikTok Ads Manager account. Make sure both are connected. That is all you need to do to install the TikTok Ads Pixel on Shopify.